And it goes a little something like
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Aja Alcantara, and for today we're going to make this makeup look using Vice Cosmetics X and Clutz collaboration. So I'll be using Nichido face powder. For my brows, I'm going to use Vice Cosmetics Micro Brow in the shade of soft brown. With our eye makeup. We'll try yung gel liner in Intenz Black. nag-release sila ng 9 items. One including eyeshadow palette. So, what I like about this eyeshadow palette is marami siyang colors. Marami siyang shades included. So, fully maximize talaga yung space nung kanyang eyeshadow palette. The thing is, I think medyo powdery yung eyeshadow ni Vice Cosmetics. By the way, this is my first time to use Vice Cosmetics na eyeshadow. So, yun lang yung comment ko. But, overall, I like the shades kasi may neutral, tapos may glittery. So, kung gusto mo ng panglaban na eye makeup, maa-achieve mo naman. Next, face palette nila. So, for the face palette, included yung ano tawag dito, pang contour or bronzer, the highlighter, and then the blush. So, medyo na-shock ako dun sa color ng pang contour. Well, maganda yung pigment niya. Yun na masasabi ko kasi isang lagay ko lang. Yun, medyo napasobra. So, blendable naman siya. So, okay naman. As you can see. For the, what do you call this? For the blush, okay naman siya. Hindi ko lang masyadong type yung blush shade niya. And then for the highlighter, maganda naman yung highlighter. Parang nakaka-highlight naman siya. Yun lang, parang nakaka-emphasize siya ng texture sa skin. Parang naging medyo rough yung itsura ng skin ko. Yan. Habang nakatingin ako ngayon dito sa salamin, yun yung napapansin ko. Yun lang. So, next, gel liner. Compare dito sa Etude na brush liner, I will still prefer this for, alam mo yun, yung definition, yung parang precise. Kasi yung tip nito, sobrang, yan, on point. Madali siyang i-glide, pati. Pero, for the pigment naman, it's quite good. Tsaka dahil sa parang napupudpud siya, over time, mahihirapan ka nang i-achieve yung precision na gusto mo. So, next is yung Velvet Liquid Lipstick. So, actually, this is my first time to use Vice Cosmetics na Velvet Liquid Lipstick. And, so far naman, it's good sa pigment. Yung sa formula lang, parang medyo nakaka-dry siya. Dry na yung lips ko. Mad-dry kasi yung lips ko. Talagang ganun siya. And madalas siya nagbabalat. So, sa ngayon, ang nafe-feel ko, yun, mas nakaka-dry siya. And then, for the matte lipsticks, actually, I haven't tried this. By the way, hindi ko binili yung buong collection. Ang nabili ko lang is yung eyeshadow, yung face palette, yung gel liner na black. Yung brown, hindi ko nabili. Kasi most of the time, I use black. So, yun, hindi ko naman masyadong prefer yung brown. And then, yung dalawang velvet lipstick. And then, yung dalawa ding soft matte lipstick. I did not buy the lip gloss kasi hindi ako ma-lip gloss. Pero, I've heard dun sa reviews ng iba na sobrang ganda daw ng lip gloss. So, maybe next time I'll try to buy. So, for the lipstick, maganda naman yung shade niya. It's quite good naman. Especially if you're into vibrant and dark shades. You can really use this. Ako naman, wala naman ako masyadong preference sa shades except sa sobrang light tsaka dun sa sobrang dark and yung parang mga violet and then different colors na I don't use those. But if nude like this one, tsaka pinkish like this one, I will definitely use it. So, That's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye!